Hey guys, welcome to Sade's World. Like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you again for joining us. Hey guys, so today is going to be a series of videos, truly just kind of showing me and Shador vlogging and kind of doing some baking. Guys, so welcome to the channel, and today I'm just pretty much vlogging, so you'll get a mixture of a bunch of different videos. Right now it's nighttime, and I am in the process of baking some cookies, so I'm gonna show you guys because I thought they were super cool, and I'm doing this with are super neat. They are in the shape of trolls, and so we're gonna be making these. We're preheating the oven to 350, and they're gonna bake for about 10 to 12 minutes until they're nice and golden brown on the bottom. I just thought these were super cool, so I wanted to incorporate them in the vlog so that you guys could see the super cool cookies that we're gonna eat while we watch Trolls. I picked up these popcorn containers from Dollar Tree. They were 2 for $1. I think they're super neat, and we're gonna use these to watch our movies tonight and pop some popcorn. So yeah.
Today we're making cookies. Cookies on.
Oh, I did? Are you excited to eat troll cookies?
Yes.
They're cool, huh?
Yes, they're so yummy.
Cool.
They're so good.
They're so good.
I wish I can try. I'm gonna try the pink. The pink one tastes like strawberry. So I'm gonna try them later.
You gonna try them later?
When you put it in the oven for 10 minutes, I will try that one
for 10 minutes. So hey guys, it's a different day today, and we're gonna be making cupcakes. We are about to make cupcakes.
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 I'll make some cupcakes and some cake. You see some cake and some
cupcakes, honey.
Cupcakes.
Good job. Got our stuff in the pan.
Okay, Mommy. Okay, Mommy. Now we need to make some cake and some cake.
Okay. Careful.
Okay.
Good job.
Okay, Mommy. We can boil.
Thanks for joining us, guys, and we really appreciate your support. We hope to see you next time, and thanks for watching our mini vlog.